Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel. Now if you own an LG OLED, you may notice that your screensaver is of a clock, but many people would rather go back to the original fireworks. And hopefully I've got a solution that should restore them back. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to be using this 65-inch LG G4 OLED. And what we're going to do is grab our magic remote control, hold down on the settings button for a long press. Next, we're going to head on down to General, then scroll down and go to System. Once we're in System, we're going to go to Time and Timer. And then once in here, you're going to notice Set Automatically. And this we are going to want to untoggle. So now the time and date is manually set. Once we've done that, what we're going to do is now turn off the TV with the remote control. Next, we're going to disconnect the TV from the mains power supply and leave it unplugged for around 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we're going to plug it back in again and restore power to the TV. And with any luck, the next time the screensaver is activated, you should get back those fireworks. Now this may not work for everyone and it may not work for every model, but if it has worked for you, then do us a favour and leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this in the future, then make sure you subscribe. So thanks very much for joining me today and hopefully I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.